Alright, welcome back to another G Auto Repair YouTube video, and today I'm gonna do a quick video on a little upgrade, if I should call it that I've done to my Maxjax. This is the M6 model. They have an updated model, which is the M6K, I believe, or something like that. That came out, I have no idea when, but recently, within the past year or so, I think. This is a quick little upgrade that I did because if any of you guys have this Maxjax, you know that this right here kind of gets in the way when you're trying to open a door and whatnot. So the new upgraded one, what they've done is they've shaved this off and it's flat. So that's something that I actually was thinking about for a while, because it's kind of annoying when you're trying to open a door and it gets caught up in this in these little T-handles. So what I have done is I've cut it off myself, but I still wanted a way to where I can pull it out if I have to remove the arm for whatever reason. So what I did was I just drilled a hole, tapped it, and now I can insert this eyelid here. It just so happens I had this laying around, and I can just screw it on there and pull this out. Obviously it's kind of hard to do with one hand because I got to wiggle the arm to get to it, but it does work, trust me. I just gotta lift a little bit here to get the weight off the pin so I can slide out. The same thing you'll do with this, only this is detachable. Once you've installed it or removed it or whatever, you can unscrew this out, and that's it, flush. You don't have to worry about your door hitting that. How big of an improvement is gonna be, I'm not 100% sure. I'll let you guys know when I do an update on the I did a video a while back, a 2-year of using this lift review, I guess. So I'm planning on doing another one to share some of the other issues that I've ran into, and I'm gonna add this to that video, see how well this worked, or if it helped a little bit or not. So really simple to do. All I did was I just grinded, cut off the T-handle, I grinded it as flat as possible. I used a punch. I drilled a pilot hole, then I drilled the hole, and I used using a 5/16 drill bit, and then I tapped it with a 3/8 16, I believe, pitch. Yeah, 3/8 16 pitch tap. That's the threads that are on this thing, and that's it. That's all I did. So really simple. Within a couple minutes you could do that, no big deal. So I hope that this helps out anybody there that's having the same issue, or gives you guys an idea to do it as well. Again, I'm gonna try it out for a while and see how well that works. I just want to make sure that there's an easy way that I can pull this pin out if I do need to pull this arm. I don't want to fight with it later on down the road. So that's why I did this right here. So I'm gonna put this in my toolbox. That's where it's gonna stay. When I gotta pull the pin out, screw it in there, pull it out, and we are done. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll catch you in the next video. Ciao.